Hi, this is Leo. I build a machine learning knowledge question and answering system. And the motivation behind this system is that during my research on evaluating the large language models capability in various areas, I found that Llama, Llama 270 it is very weak in STEM areas like machine learning area. For the QA task, it's only have lower than 50% accuracies. So I'm wondering whether I can use RAG techniques to improve its performance in the QA tasks. So this is my pipeline. My data is from Wikipedia. I use Wikipedia API to extract pages in the area of machine learning. And you can see that there are a lot of categories in Wikipedia's. So I generally select some categories related to machine learning, like artificial intelligence, statistics, probabilities. And you can see this is like a super category, and there are some subcategories under the categories. So it's like a file tree. So I iterate all the pages and extracted all the super categories and the subcategories. And for the trunking, I trunk data with citing windows, since I think those overlap parts can help preserve some semantic information. And after tracking all the data, I use a BGE large model to embed it. And why I choose this model, there is a benchmark on the Hugging Face called Massive Text Embedding Benchmark. So it generally shows some very performant models in the embedding text. At the very beginning, I am thinking about whether I can use LAM to 7B to encode the text. But then I realized that it's a decoder model, so it will not be performant in the encoding task. So I choose this leaderboard and choose one of them as my encoding model. Then the embeddings are all stored in Pinecone dataset. It's a vector database. So after the query come in, it will also embedded by this model, and it will search the relevant context, relevant embeddings based on cosine similarities. And the retrieved context together with query and prompts will be fed into Llama 2 7B to generate the answer. And here is some examples of the QA task. You can see that this task is about F1 score and LRC curve, and the answer of the system is A, and this is the context it retrieved. So you can see that the context is highly related to the question. It's all about what F1 score and the ROC curve or something. So I think this can help improve its performance. But actually, this is a very ideal example. Most of examples are very bad, and it's only have 5% accuracy. I don't know. I have tried a lot of prompts to improve it, but I failed. So this is my interface. Let me show you the example. It may take a while. By the way, I can show you the leaderboard I am using to examine the capabilities of large language models. This is called Open Campus. You can see how those large models perform in various tasks. There are a lot of areas under MMLU dataset. This is dataset I'm using to build to query the system. This is all about machine learning. By the way, I also use a few short in context learning. There are some training examples. There are 4 training examples. I use them as a few short examples in the prompt. I hope to improve the performance in the task, but it didn't. You can see that the answer of that question is A, and it generates the answer based on those context information from Wikipedia. So that's my project. Even I think after this project, I will think about whether it's failed even with RAG techniques. Yeah, thanks. I learned a lot from this project. Thank you.